Algebra 2, Cram, New York State, Algebra 2, Regents, Common Core, Functions, Basics. Concept number 8, the range of a function. The odds of someone doing exactly what you tell them to do is slim, but I guarantee that if you cram with me, you'll become an Algebra 2 master. You have lots of friends, classmates, peers, and or colleagues who are taking Algebra 2 with you, and if I could stick all of you with a syringe containing a healthy dose of eye-opening awareness of your inner mathematical genius, I probably would. So inbox me at memedicine@gmail.com and be sure to spread the word, and you'll be glad you did because everyone who purchases and orders along with you will make great study buddies. Let's delve into the concept. Function basics, range. What is the range of a function? Definitely press pause if you need to, and I'll give you a moment to think. All right, so the range is the set of all possible values for the dependent variable. Usually we refer to this as x. These are the numerals found along the vertical axis on a coordinate plane because those are usually, the outcome of chugging or plugging our independent variables, usually x, found along the horizontal axis on coordinate planes, into the function or relation of interest, okay? The range can be determined from a graph by basically finding all the y values where the graph exists. And finding the range from an equation can be pretty tricky. There's no clear-cut methodology for doing this for every single type of function because it will vary depending on the function you have. But most students get the best results simply by looking at the graph. Visual inspection, I like to refer to it as. And so let's take a look at the range of the trigonometric function y equals arctan of x, also called the inverse tangent of x. These are the same functions, okay? Except this one is restricted, obviously. Now, the range of this, well, here you can see that there are interruptions at multiples, specifically odd multiples of pi over 2 or 90 degrees. It's like it's approaching the 90-degree mark but never touches, so you get multiple streams and ripples instead of one continuous flow. Therefore, the range of the arctan of x is going to be all real numbers except odd multiples of pi over 2. And if you want to know the precise definition of real numbers, watch the preceding session on finding the domain of a function, or purchase the entire Cram session by inboxing me at memedicine@gmail.com. And if you want to know why there are interruptions at 90 degrees or pi over 2, this is 90 degrees in radian measure, also watch the previous Cram session or inbox me at memedicine@gmail.com to order the complete series, okay? All right, so again, the range or the y values or dependent variables or output values for which the arctangent of x is going to be found or valid or defined is going to be all real numbers except odd multiples of pi over 2. Okay? All right.